Just looking at the title, you may be thought that these are very similar tools. How can we both compare Bing URL inspection tool and the Google URL inspection tool? But that's not true. In this video, I will tell you the key differences between the Bing URL inspection tool and the Google URL inspection tool. So let's get started for this video. Those are new to my channel, I have to introduce myself. So let's play the introduction video. Since 2020, Bing has announced that it was working on the Google Webmaster Tool, and now that dreams comes into reality. Yes, you heard it right. Now it has launched its full version of Google Webmaster Tool. Let's know some basic of Bing URL inspection tool. Bing URL inspection tool allows you to index or inspect the index version of URL, and it will also show you the crawl errors and the errors which don't follow the webmaster guidelines. Google launched its URL inspection tool in June 2018. First, we will see what are the similarities between these Bing URL inspection tool and the Google URL inspection tool. Both the tools will help the SEOs, developers, and site owners to find out the potential indexing issue with the URL for their respective search engines. So let's see overview of both the screens. Both tools will allows you to index the URL. Both tools allow you to run the live test of that URL, and also it will show you the immediate changes that we made on that URL. Now let's see the differences between both these tools. Google tools highlight the AMP version of that URL, but Bing URL inspection tool does not support it. When we fetch any URL in the Google URL inspection tools or Bing URL inspection tool, what it looks like, please see the next slides. Use both the URL inspection tool. If you want to know how your URL is performing in Google search engine, then you have to use Google URL inspection tool. And if you want to know how your URL is performing in Bing search engine, then you have to use Bing URL inspection tool. Critical issues. Both tools will help you to fix the issues, but sometimes it will show you the different issues in both URL inspection tool. For example, whenever I search my URL in the Bing URL inspection tool, it will show me the alt attribute of images are missing. And whenever I put those URL or that URL in Google URL inspection tool, it doesn't show me that error. So I have thought that this is happen only for one URL. So I have checked with another one. So same thing happens. So but unique thing is that it will whenever the issue is happen, it will both the tools will give you the help documentation to fix those issues. Indexing details. Bing will show you the date and time when he discovered the URL for the very first time. These details you will not see in the Google URL inspection tool. Google will show you the user agent details, whether it is smartphone user agent or whether it is a desktop user agent who crawl your page. But that details you will not find in the Bing URL inspection tool. Both tools shows you the canonical URLs, but the Google will show you the Google selected canonical URL versus the user declared canonical URL. Both these tools will show you when the last page is crawled, but Google will show you the detailed information like whether it is XML sitemap or a referring page, but Bing doesn't provide such kind of details. So final thought is that if you have some issues with specific URL, then getting that URL index in both the search engines. Even if the URL is fine with Bing search engine, then try it with Google Search Console URL inspection tool too. So fixing the issues in both search engine will benefit you in both search engine. I hope you enjoy this video. Let me know in the comment section. And if you have any question related to videos, then connect with me on all social media channels, and link is given in the description below, and I will be more happy to help you. And thank you so much for watching this video.